Are you one of those people who joined an investment group hoping to boost your personal income? And now you're feeling very fatigued by the endless monthly contributions with no cash return in the horizon? And you're all very busy professionals and you lack the time to be able to identify and monitor investments for your group. And also there is no investment professional within the group, and therefore you have made, or you fear making the mistake of buying into bad investments. In today's video, I will be talking about how investment groups can be able to turn themselves into cash generating machines. My name is Pius Muchiri Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa. The starting point for any investment club is to decide how much money must our club return to us every year. For example, let's assume you came up with a target of $1 million shillings per annum. The next thing you need to ask yourself is how much capital do we need to mobilize as a group to be able to comfortably generate $1 million shillings per annum. And we did some numbers and it came to roughly about, or rather at least 8 million shillings as initial capital. So how do you put together 8 million shillings as a group? A group of 16 people contributing 500,000 each at once or through over a period of time can be able to hit 8 million shillings. And that will really now begin the journey of generating your returns. And the next thing that you need to do is to identify a reputable investment manager with a track record of generating returns that are equivalent to the kind of returns that you're looking for. And once you identify that kind of manager, the manager will be put to task to generate that return for you on an annual basis. And at the end of the year, as members, once you get the distribution from the manager, you divide it amongst yourself proportionately to how much each and every member contributed without eroding the initial principle of 8 million shillings, meaning you can continue generating $1 million shillings every year for as long as you maintain your principle with the investment manager. So that is how you can be able to turn your investment club to passively generate cash on a regular basis to each and every member and satisfy your initial ambitions of boosting your personal income. If you identify with this video, I strongly recommend, as an investment group, please identify a reputable fund manager that you can be able to work with to achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful and it has triggered some action on your end. If you'd like to engage us, please feel free to come to our offices at International House, and we'll be more than happy to have a discussion on this particular subject. If you are not able to do that, please feel free to write to us on the email address that is on the screen, or on the social media platforms that are also on the screen, or you can even call us on the phone number that is on the screen, and we'll be very quick to respond to you. My name is Pius Muchiri Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.